An incorrect repayment history in the Albert app doesn't always mean a payment failed. In many cases, the repayment record displayed in the app can temporarily differ from your bank activity, so the first step is to compare Albert's repayment history with your actual bank transactions. By the end of this video, you'll know how to verify whether the repayment history is truly wrong, what commonly causes these discrepancies, and how to get the issue corrected. Start by opening your repayment history in the Albert app and comparing it with your bank statement. Check each repayment date, payment amount, and transaction status. Look for payments that appear missing, duplicated, pending, or marked as unsuccessful, even though your bank shows the money was withdrawn. Next, consider whether anything recently changed on your account. If you updated your linked bank account, replaced your debit card, or changed payment information, the repayment history may not refresh immediately. Make sure you're using the latest version of the Albert app, then sign out and back in to refresh your account information. If the repayment history still doesn't match your bank records, gather supporting information before contacting Albert support. Take screenshots showing the repayment history inside the app and matching screenshots from your bank account that confirm the payment was processed. Having both records available helps support compare the information without asking you to collect it later. When you submit your request, explain exactly which repayment is incorrect. Include the payment date, the amount involved, and describe whether the payment is missing, duplicated, incorrectly marked as unpaid, or showing another status. If you received confirmation emails or payment notifications, mention those as well because they can help verify your timeline. Avoid creating multiple support tickets for the same issue. Keeping everything in one conversation gives the support team a complete history of your case and reduces the chance of duplicate requests causing delays. While you're waiting for a response, continue monitoring both your Albert account and your bank statement. If your bank confirms the repayment was completed successfully, keep that documentation until the issue has been resolved. Sometimes the problem is only a display issue inside the app, while other cases require manual correction by the support team. To recap, compare your Albert repayment history with your bank records, collect screenshots before contacting support, and provide the exact repayment details that appear incorrect. As your next step, review your latest repayment alongside your bank statement so you can clearly identify any mismatch before reaching out. If this guide helped, like the video, subscribe, and check out our other Albert troubleshooting tutorials.